Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. It's a 32-inch LED TV that comes to repair for the backlight related fault. See friends, while checking with the LED checker, here we notice that among these two LED backlights, only one LED backlight is working. See, it's a bent type LED backlight strip. So while dealing with backlight related fault, it's always recommended to replace the entire backlights with new one to avoid future repetition in this same fault. So here we take two new LED backlights for repairing this TV. It's a bent type LED backlight strips. So here we replaced both backlights with new one. After replacing these backlight strips, it's always recommended to adjust the backlight level minimum 60 to 70% to increase the lifespan of these LED backlights in service mode. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.